Net. We are taking a look at the Epic Weapons Frostmourne. Anyhow, this is the officially licensed Frostmourne sword from Warcraft, of course. And this sword is a stainless steel blade. It's just one of the most impressive swords I've ever seen. But it's a tempered stainless steel blade. It does have there's a cat in the way over here, but it does have a pre-edge on it. It is not fully sharpened. Warcraft will not let them have it fully sharpened, but it can be sharpened, of course. It is solid metal. The entire hilt, of course, is solid metal, leather wrapped. Very detailed. And then each Frostmourne Epic Weapons put in their patented G2G authenticity microchip in the hilt. So that way you know it's authentic. There's some cheap fakes that are floating around eBay and other places. This one is 100% authentic, and it does say Epic Weapons on the other side of the blade. But again, the microchip is for the anti-counterfeiting. There's the box over there that it comes in. And this sword is by far the heaviest sword I've ever experienced. It weighs something in the neighborhood of 20 pounds from what I remember. And the plaque is very heavy duty, really nicely done. Let me grab this sword off here. Again, this thing is very heavy, extremely heavy. Let me flip it over. Each side is somewhat different. As you see, the horns are smaller. There's the plaque. Very, very cool. But again, this sword is 100% kick-ass. There's just more Epic Weapons info there. There's a COA. Let me grab that thing. Not that you can read it, but there's the COA. Kit Ray was the designer who designed this from the video game, of course, and he is just a master swordsmith. Get a close-up of the blade. Nice and thick, heavy duty. There's the Epic Weapons logo information there. I'll flip around without shaking too much. That is one hell of a sword. And they are extremely rare and just all around badass. If you can find one at a decent price, I highly recommend picking one up. And there he is, the Frostmourne sword, officially licensed, and one all-around kick-ass blade.